Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about non-vascular plants. Have you ever wondered what makes mosses and liverworts different from other plants? Where do non-vascular plants grow best? Why are they important in nature? Let's take a closer look at the tiny plants that paved the way for all the green life we see today. Let's talk about non-vascular plants. These are some of the oldest and simplest plants on Earth. First, they don't have vascular tissues like xylem or phloem, the tubes that most plants use to transport water and nutrients. Because of that, they also don't have true roots, stems, or leaves. Instead, they use structures called rhizoids to help anchor them to surfaces like soil or rocks. Since water moves through them by diffusion and osmosis, they need to live in moist environments to survive. They're usually small and close to the ground because they can't transport water far or support tall structures. Some examples of non-vascular plants are mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. These plants are important because they were some of the first to live on land, helping to form soil and create habitats for other organisms. Even though non-vascular plants like mosses and liverworts are small, they play big roles in nature. They grow in damp, shady places like forest floors, rocks, and near streams, places where water is available. They don't make seeds or flowers. Instead, they reproduce using spores, and they actually need water so the sperm cells can swim to the egg cells, just like in early plant evolution. Ecologically, they're really important. They help prevent soil from washing away, provide a home for tiny insects and microbes, and even help create new soil when they grow on bare rock. That's why we call them pioneer species. Here are some interesting facts about non-vascular plants. Mosses are among the oldest land plants, over 400 million years old. Some mosses can survive freezing and drying out, returning to life with water. Peat moss is used in gardening and as a fuel source in some countries. Liverworts get their name because their shape was thought to resemble a human liver. Let's quickly recap what we learned about non-vascular plants. What tissue do non-vascular plants lack? Xylem and phloem. What do mosses use instead of roots? They use rhizoids. What do they reproduce with? With spores. And lastly, what process helps water move through them? Osmosis and diffusion. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.